The Prime Minister's office has ordered all government departments to stop sharing RTI information on PM CARES Fund. By now, you must be aware that PMO itself has refused to divulge any information regarding the fund, even under RTI. According to Indian Express reports, 50 departments ranging from railways to ISRO have contributed to Rs 158 crore approximately from staff salaries to the PM CARES Fund. However, several key departments such as the Prime Minister's office, those under the Ministry of Home Affairs and large employers such as the Department of Posts did not respond to RTI queries from the Indian Express. Few days earlier, an RTI activist filed an RTI with the National Informatics Centre with these simple queries on PM CARES. Question 1. The activist asked NIC to provide the total amount spent on development, design, hosting, domain registration, etc. for pmcares.gov.in. Answer. NIC replied and said, developed in-house. Question 2. The activist asked NIC to provide certified copies of all communication or instructions received from the PMO or for registration and hosting of the domain pmcares.gov.in. Answer. NIC in response to the second question refused to answer, citing PM CARES is not a public authority. NIC in a reply to another RTI said, all communication, instructions or documents received from PMO have been deemed as third-party information. In all such cases, the following instruction was received from the PMO in the matter of RTI queries related to PM CARES, which in other words means that the PMO stopped NIC from sharing information under the RTI. The activist filed another RTI to get certified copies of the third-party notice letter written by NIC to the PMO and the PMO's reply. As a reply, the activist received a letter written by NIC to the PMO and the PMO's response. NIC asked the PMO if it can disclose the information regarding third-party notice, to which the PMO replied by saying, PM CARES Fund is not a public authority. It may not disclose any information in respect of PM CARES Fund. Questions remain. If PMO, a public entity, is handling the queries and record of PM CARES Fund, then how can PM CARES Fund not be a public authority? If gov.in can only be used by public authorities or government departments, then why is PM CARES using the domain gov.in if it is not public authority? Why is PMO stopping NIC from sharing basic information regarding the domain name? There are too many questions shrouding the PM CARES Fund and too few answers from the government.